If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Anyone who stops learning is old, either at 20 or 80. Anyone keeps learning stay young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. If you think you can do a thing or think you can do a thing, you are right. Either you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can blind a reputation on what you are going to do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probable the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he went to, long as it is black. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into simple jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is process. Working together is success. Most people spend more time and more energy going around the problems than in trying to solve them. If you always do what you have always done, you will always get what you have always got. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can learn in school what the world is going to do next year. You can't blind a reputation on what you are going to do. As we survive our jobs, we survive the world. Experience is the things of supreme value. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can be done. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. Sometimes you just don't like somebody. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. Givers have to set limits because takers rarely do. It is not usually to speak of an employee as a partner. And it what else is he? An idealist is a person who helps other people to be proportions.